Amaran recently launched two new lights, the Amaran Verge and the Verge Max. These are the latest additions to their panel light setup. Today I am unboxing the Amaran Verge, which is a panel light, and you can see this is white in color. You can also get this light in black color. Inside we get a light, a charger and few stickers. From the first look of this light, it's super slim and lightweight. The white finish with the blue tint looks really good. At the bottom there is a power button, a quarter-inch screw mount and a USB-C input. There is nothing on the top or on the sides, so it's a clean and simple setup. On the back there is a Amaran Verge lock which is covered by a silicone flap. This custom lock works with the desk mount or a clamp which is sold separately. So if you are ordering the Amaran light, you won't get any desk stand or clamp. But if you order the Amaran Max, it comes with the desk stand. The light is plastic but it feels solid and premium in hand. The charger is white in color, matching the light with a 1.8 meter USB-C cable. You can check these details on the website. It's not the longest wire, but it's fine. When I plug in the light, you can see there is a blue light indicator which shows the light is powered. Here is a weird part about this blue indicator. When the light is off but plugged in, the blue indicator stays on. But when you turn the light on, the blue indicator disappears. So if the intensity of this light is 0, the light stays off, but the blue indicator also remains off. So it only turns on when the light is off. Using this right knob, you can adjust the intensity of this light. According to Amaran website, at 2700 Kelvin, this light hits 2603 lux at 0.5 meters. You can check out the full details of this color chart on my screen. My camera was struggling to focus on this light, but guys, this light is very bright in spite of being slim and lightweight. Using the left knob, you can adjust the color temperature of this light. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this light. The biggest pro of this light is its price. This light was listed for 120 Canadian dollars, which is almost half the price of Elgato light, which is its main competitor. Elgato light comes with a stand, which this light doesn't. But if you already have a stand, I think this is the cheapest light you can get from Amaran. The second main pro of this light is it's lightweight and easy to use. This light is a full package and you don't need any softbox or any other equipment. So it can fit the tight spaces and is very easy to use. I think the Type-C is also a pro for this light, as you can use any 30-watt PD charger here and you can use the same charger for your phone or other devices. Now let's talk about some of the cons of this light. I think the biggest con of this light is you don't get any screen with this light. You cannot see the exact color or intensity values and you just have to guess using the knobs. The bigger brother of this light, Verge Max, has a screen, but this light doesn't have one. The second con is this light doesn't come with any stand or ball head mount. If you don't have a light stand, you have to add some additional cost here. And in spite of having a light stand, you can see you cannot tilt your light when you set it up on a light stand. So you will need an additional ball head which you have to buy extra for your light. I think Amaran could easily add a ball head, but they didn't do it. The next con is no RGB option here. Most of the other panels, even from Amaran, has a RGB option, but this light doesn't have one. And in the last con, I would like to indicate that blue indicator which stays on when the light is off, but it remains off when the light is on, so it is kind of confusing here. Overall, the Amaran Verge light is a solid choice for your YouTube setup, especially if you have just started. I think this is the cheapest light you can get from Amaran, and you can control this light via the Amaran app via Bluetooth. You can connect this light to your phone and you can see, you can turn it on, set the intensity and color temperature. Amaran app has all the options here and you can even use the effects on this light. Since this is not a RGB light, so I don't think anybody will use these effects. But as an app, this is very easy to set up and easy to control. I have got another Amaran light which is 25C, which is an RGB light. So I can connect to that light using my app and I can control intensity and color options. 25C has a lot more options because of the RGB, but it's also pricier compared to this light in spite of being smaller. So in the end, I think this light is a great deal for the creators, especially if you are making YouTube videos or doing any other photographic work in your own studio. If you have got any questions regarding this light, just drop them in the comments and I will try to answer each one of those.